Welcome students. So today we are going to have a new lesson and the title of this lesson is proposal. Actually this is the last lesson of your book. So in this lesson actually this is not a kind of story, rather it is a drama. It is all a drama, and here mainly three people are characterized. So only mainly three characters are there. So three characters are, number one is Stephen Chubukov, and next is Natalia, who is 25 years old, and Stephen Chubukov is father of Natalia, and even Lomo, and he is 35 years old. He has some problem, and generally he get unconscious whenever he speaks much, and Stephen Chubukov and even Lomo both are rich landowners. Both are having enough land, and even Lomo has no family. Means he is alone in his family. Other all are passed away. So he is living alone in his family, and they both are neighbors. Neighbors means living in a same locality. So here the drama starts. So actually what happens in the beginning, Lomo is getting ready, and he is just reaching to Mr. Chubukov's house, and actually he went there to ask the hand of Natalia, Chubukov's daughter, for marriage. So actually he went there for proposal, therefore the title is given proposal. So he went there to propose Natalia for marriage. So one day he got ready and went to Chubukov's house. Now next what happened? When he reached there, so Chubukov just welcomed him. He thought that he is our neighbor and he just came. So he was welcomed by Chubukov, and he was asked to sit. And when they both settled on sofa, then they started talking. And Mr. Chubukov just asked to Lomo that today you are looking up to date, means you are looking ready and you are looking very smart and you are wearing new dress. Are you going to attend any event or any marriage party or any party? Then Lomo said, no, simply I just came to you only. And in the normal way they started talking, and after some time Lomo just whatever he came there, he just spoke very clearly. What he spoke, that I am here to ask your daughter's hand. And by listening those words, Chubukov was very happy, because Natalia was not very beautiful. She was only just we can say normal, means she was not good beauty, but she was hardworking and homemaker lady, and she was good enough in speaking. She was good enough in working. So she was able to handle the house very well. And Lomo was already 35 years old, so he was also not getting anyone to get married. So he thought better to get married in the neighbor area. Now next what happened? When Chubukov heard that Lomo came to ask his daughter's hand, he was very happy, because both were not getting anyone to get married. So now Chubukov was also very happy and Lomo was also very happy. Then Lomo asked that your daughter is not here. Then Chubukov said that she is working upstairs, means she is cleaning or mopping or sweeping. So after some time, when they kept talking. After some time, Chubukov left the place and just called for Natalia. So he went upstairs and he told Natalia that somebody has come down. He didn't say anything about that Lomo has come to ask your hand and to propose you for marriage. This whole thing he did not say to his daughter, who Chubukov didn't say to Natalia. And Natalia also thought that somebody has come to her house, and they might be a tradesman or businessman, and they might be talking about business. So she was continuing with her work. After cleaning, sweeping, mopping, she came down, and she was not wearing good dress, means in a casual dress she was, or normal dress generally which we wear at home while working. So she was also wearing very normal dress. So when she came down, she saw Lomo is sitting there. Lomo was to date, he was wearing very nice dress, and Natalia was looking very common in casual dress. So she just felt very sorry for that, and she said, because I was cleaning the house, therefore I am in this dress, and I hope you will never mind that. Lomo said, okay, it is your house, you are in your house and you are doing your work, so it is general thing. So since they were having family terms also earlier, therefore she was also very happy that somebody has come to talk to them as like neighbor. Means so far Lomo did not tell anything to Natalia that I am here to propose you. Even Chubuko, Natalia's father, also did not tell anything to Natalia that he has come to ask your hand for marriage and he came to propose you. But they both were sitting and talking. Now Natalia and Lomo both are talking, and Chubuko stopped upstairs only. So now when they were talking, suddenly first they just started making casual talking about here and there, neighborhood, so and so. Suddenly they were talking about their farms and about the oxen widow he spoke about. Who? Lomo. Lomo said that oxen widow which belongs to us, that's also very big and it is good enough for land agriculture, and earlier that land was only for oxen to graze, but nowadays we are planning to grow crop on that land. When Natalia heard about that oxen widow, they started quarrel. And why they started quarrel? They thought, because both were thinking that land is there. Actually, Lomo was thinking that oxen widow is what? Oxen widow is a name of a land. A land it is, okay, piece of land. So Lomo said that oxen widow is mine, that belongs to me. And Natalia also said the same thing, that belongs to me. Then suddenly in the talking, he started to prove that is mine. I have got documents, I have got papers, and everything I do have. Who said those words? Lomo. Lomo said that I have complete papers of that land which I am talking about, and its name is oxen widow. But Natalia did not accept. She said that I also have those papers. In that way they started discussion, or suddenly their discussion started turning into quarrel. So they started speaking loudly. And Lomo said, actually that land, no, my aunt's grandmother has given that land to your father's grandfather, peasant. Peasant means farmer. So what he said, my aunt grandmother has given that oxen widow to your father's grandfather's peasant. Peasant means farmer. So see how long relationship is shown here to just make confused. So in this way, when Lomo said, then Natalia also said, no, it is not taken from you. Actually, those were ours only. This land is mine. It belonged to me. My father's grandfather was having that land, and still it belonged to us. And because I am having those land paper, that land paper also. So in this way, they started quarreling. And while they were quarreling, suddenly Chubuko also came down. When Chubuko also came down, he also started supporting his daughter. No, that land is mine. Means they totally forgot. Lomo did not say anything about proposal to Natalia. Even Chubuko also did not say anything about proposal. And now they all three started quarreling. Means Natalia and her father Chubuko, and the second side Lomo. So they were just talking, and now they were getting very angry, and the discussion changed into argument, and argument changed into quarrel. And in that quarrel, Natalia got very angry, and she just kicked him out. Whom? Lomo. She got very angry and said, you just get out of my house. You are talking about that land. We'll see in court that whose land it is. In that way, they got very, very angry. And Natalia got very angry, and she kicked him out of the house. When he went outside the house, that time Chubuko said to Natalia that Lomo had come to ask your hand, and he started talking here about land, and he started quarreling. When Natalia came to know that Lomo came to ask her and he came to propose her, then she felt really very much regret. She was too much regret of herself that why did I insult him? Why I insulted that man? And she just pleaded her father, please call him back, we'll ask him sorry because he came to propose me for marriage and we just had a quarrel. So Chubuko thought what kind of girl she is. Earlier she was fighting and even I supported her and now she is telling me just to call him back. So what a insult it is. But still he just went outside and called back Lomo. And Lomo returned and he again sat on sofa. And now Natalia came to know that he came to propose. But so far Lomo did not propose. Only Natalia's father Chubuko told Natalia that he came to propose him. And now Natalia thought that somehow I have to convince him back. Because she was also intent to get married with that boy. So now Natalia was trying to convince him. And so she was also not able to propose directly. So she was not speaking very directly that you came to propose me. Means in that way she never said. So she started talking about some other matter. What so many other things they have discussed. And the topic was also changed about shooting missiles. They started talking. And suddenly Natalia talked about dogs. And Natalia was also having pet dog. Even Lomo was also having pet dog. So now next discussion they started making on dog. That Natalia was saying that my dog is better and Lomo was saying that my dog is better. Now suddenly then again Lomo was proposed to come inside and then he was sitting and they started talking. But again their talking changed into a discussion. And what discussion it was? The talking discussion was the topic was dog. And now suddenly that discussion changed into again argument because both were claiming that my dog is better. So in that way they started discussion and discussion changed into again argument about dog. And suddenly argument changed into quarrel. So again they started quarrel. Again they were quarreling and again Natalia was speaking much, Chubuko was starting speaking much and Lomo was also speaking. All were praising herself or himself. So in one hand Natalia was speaking about her dog, Chubuko was supporting her daughter, his daughter. And Lomo was also speaking about his dog. But this Lomo had a problem in his heart and he was not able to speak much. When he speak much, he was finding difficulty to breathe. So when he was speaking much, he was showing his anger. In anger generally we know that we speak very fast. So when he was speaking very fast, suddenly he put his hand on his heart. And because he was not able to breathe and he felt as like heart attack. And suddenly when he was continuously speaking, Natalia was also continuously speaking. So he fell down. Who? Lomo fell down. Lomo fell down and he was looking as like he was turning unconscious. So after some time he felt unconscious. But Natalia and Lomo was continuing to speak. They were speaking, they were arguing, they were quarreling. And when he fell down, he stopped the moment. Means his body was not having any movement. Who's Lomo? Means he totally turned unconscious. So when he turned unconscious, then Natalia stopped her father. Father, please stop because he got unconscious and I think that he is dead. He got heart attack and he is dead here. So they got very much afraid. After some time, Lomo showed some movement in his body. And after the moment they came to know, no, he is not dead, he is alive. So they brought some water and gave him to drink in this with a meaning. But they were unsuccessful to give him water. He did not drink. But anyhow, he just managed to stand and sit back on the sofa. So again he was in normal position and he sat on sofa. And now Chubuko said, okay, your discussion or your argument or your quarrel will never end. And actually Lomo came. Now Chubuko is saying that actually Lomo came to propose you. So and Natalia is also ready. So Chubuko said that my daughter is ready to marry you and you are also ready to marry my daughter. So it is a very good moment. So he just hold the hand of Means from both sides the proposal was accepted. When the proposal was accepted, they again sat on sofa, and now suddenly Natalia, as like girls behavior generally we know, again Natalia spoke very softly. But you have to admit, who said? Natalia to Lomo, you have to admit that my dog is better than yours. Actually now when Natalia spoke those words, this was the end of the lesson. In this lesson, generally what the writer wants to show us, what the drama is ending, that girls never accept that they are wrong. First of all, we can understand. Second thing, it is also shown here that for what they were quarreling. Actually, if they both get married, the land and the dog both will be their own. So there was no reason to fight, but still they both were fighting. They were simply quarreling. And whenever we go to somebody's house, especially for the proposal, so do we quarrel? So generally, this drama is a kind of fun. It is written in the form of fun, to make fun. So some of the questions may be asked from this lesson. So it is very important drama, and I hope the summary you are very clear with. Actually, this lesson is very long, and I have spoken very short summary. And I hope this summary will be helpful for you to write the answers of the question, whatever is coming from the particular topic or lesson. And with this hope, I think you are very clear and you will be comfortable to write the answers of the question. With this hope, thank you very much. All the best.